Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to edit a PDF file in a laptop or PC. So assume that you have a PDF file in a laptop and you want to edit it, so you guys have to just must watch this video. So you just have to simply open up the PDF, and here you guys can see there is no any edit option. By tapping on that, you guys can edit that. So in order to edit a PDF file, you guys must have to download Microsoft Word. You guys can easily download this from internet. So after downloading the Microsoft Word application, you guys have to simply open it. So after opening up Microsoft Word application, you guys have to just simply minimize it. And here you guys have to simply drag the PDF file to Microsoft Word application. So after dragging that, it will ask you for permission. You guys have to just simply click on OK. And here you guys can see we guys can easily edit the PDF file, and you guys can also customize your PDF in this way. So I hope this method finds you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.